In today's video, we are going to learn one more big friend subtraction formula. So, why we need to learn this formula? See the example. Let's solve the first example, which is 8 plus 7 minus 6. Okay. Now, my tool is all set for the calculation. As you can see here, no bits are touching to the value bar. Let's solve the first example, which is 8 plus 7 minus 6. 8 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Here I used big friend addition of 7, right. So, then we need to subtract 6, right. See, at one slot only the upper bit is touching to the value bar, whose value is 5, and at 10th slot only one lower bit is touching to the value bar, whose value is 10. So, here we need to subtract 6. The direct subtraction of 6 is not happening here. Here the small friend formula is not applicable as we need to subtract 6. For solving this sum, we have to learn big friend subtraction of 6. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you how to write the big friend subtraction formula for 6 and when and how we can apply the big friend subtraction of 6. Now, I am going to write the big friend subtraction formula of 6. So, before writing the formula, let me tell you what is big friend. Big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10, right. So what is the big friend of 1? Big friend of 1 is 9. As we know, 1 plus 9 is 10. So, can you tell me what is the big friend of 2? The big friend of 2 is 8, because as 2 plus 8 is 10. So, like this, what is the big friend of 3? It is 7. The big friend of 4 is 6. The big friend of 5 is 5. See, here I have 6 fingers. So, how many more fingers I need to make it 10? I need 4 more fingers to make it 10. So, 6 and 4 are the big friend of each. So, here the big friend of 6 is 4. 6 is the big friend of 4 and 4 is also the big friend of 6. So, now I am going to write the formula of big friend subtraction of 6. So, minus 6 is, here first I need to subtract the base value of big friend, which is 10. So, what is the base value of big friend? That is 10. So, minus 10. Then I need to add the big friend of 6, which is 4. So, plus 4. Here we got our formula of big friend subtraction of 6, which is minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. We will apply this formula in our example and we can solve the examples easily. And let's solve those examples. Let's solve the first example. First example here is 8 plus 7 minus 6. 8 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Here I used the big friend addition of 7. Then minus 6. Minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. The answer is 9. Hope you all are clearly understood how and when we can apply big friend subtraction of 6. Now, let's solve the second example, which is 9 plus 1 minus 6. 9 plus 1 is plus 10 minus 9. Minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. The answer is 4. Next example, 3 plus 7 minus 6. 3 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3 minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. So, answer is 4. Next example, 7 plus 8 minus 6. 7 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2 minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. So, answer is 9. Next example, 6 plus 4 minus 6. 6 plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. So, answer is 4. Next example, 9 plus 6 minus 6. 9 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4, minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. So, answer is 9. Next example is 5 plus 5 minus 6. 5 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5, minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. So, answer is 4. Next example 25 minus 5 minus 6. 25 minus 5 is, for minus 5 we can do it directly. This is minus 5, then minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. So, answer is 14. Next example is 45 minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. So, answer here is 47. The last example here is 38 plus 7 minus 6. 38 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3, minus 6 is minus 10 plus 4. So, answer here is 39. I hope this video will help you how and when you can apply the big friend subtraction of 6. If you have any doubt, you can drop me the comments below. I want to tell you one more thing here. If you have not watched my previous video, you can go to my channel's playlist and watch those videos and learn something from there and practice accordingly every day for 10 or 15 minutes. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you everyone for watching.